Besides user fields, we also have a section called bot fields. The difference between user fields and bot fields is that user fields are specific to the individual user, where a bot field applies towards the whole chatbot. So for example, if you have certain business information you like to display throughout your entire chatbot to all the users instead of a single individual user, you can create a bot field. It works exactly the same as a user field. Just press the button on the right, plus new bot field. From here, give it a name. You can of course also select the type of field this needs to be. You can give it a value directly. You can also give it a description if you like to. And like with the user field, you will be able to add it towards a folder if you created one. If you're done with the information about the new bot field, just press the blue button Save. And you now see that the bot field called business name has now been created.